Hello friends, welcome to channel online learning website. Today we discuss the objective questions of topic thermodynamics and energetics. Those are very important for your upcoming examinations. The first question is the information not conveyed by thermodynamics is about rate of reactions. Question number 2. A system which can exchange energy with the surrounding but no matter is called a closed system. Question number 3. An intensive property in thermodynamics means a property which depends on the nature of the substance only. The fourth question. Which one is the true? 1 calories greater than 1 joule greater than 1 ERG. Question number 5. Which among the following is an extensive property of the system? The right answer is volume. Question number 6. A gas expands isothermally and reversibly. The work done by the gas maximum. During isothermal expansion of an ideal gas, its internal energy remains unchanged. Question number 8. Which of the following is a closed system? Tea placed in a steel kettle. Question number 9. According to the latest sign conversion, the correct expression representing the first law of thermodynamics is delta U barabar Q plus W. The next question number 10. During the evaporation of a liquid, the enthalpy increases. The next question number 11. During isothermal expansion of an ideal gas, its enthalpy remains unaffected. Question number 12. Consider the following statement. First and the third. For diatomic gas, the Cp upon Cv is equal to 1.40 lower temperature and 1.29 higher temperature. Question number 13. The ratio of gamma for inert gases is 1.66. Question number 14. The molar heat capacity of water is 75.3 joule per Kelvin. Question 15. When aluminum chloride is dissolved in a water, the solution becomes cold and the change is endothermic. Question number 16. The standard state in chemical energetics implies 1 bar pressure at specified temperature. Question number 17. The standard heat of formation of diamond is greater than of graphite. Question number 18. For which one of the following elements the standard enthalpy is not 0? C. Diamond. Question number 19. The decreasing order of calorific value is C4S10 greater than C3H8 greater than C2H4 greater than C2S2. Question number 20. Which has a maximum calorific value is fat. Question number 21. Which fuel has a maximum calorific value? Kerosene. Question number 22. The calorific value of fat is more than that of carbohydrate and protein. Question number 23. Boran-Haber cycle is used to determine lattice energy. The compound with negative heat of the formation is known as exothermic compound. Entropy change of the system and its surrounding in equilibrium remains constant. Question 26. For an endothermic reaction to be spontaneous, delta S must be positive. For the process, carbon dioxide is slash CO2 gas. Both delta H and delta S are positive. In which the following the entropy decreases? Crystallization of the sucrose from the solutions. Which law of thermodynamics introduced the concept of entropy is the second law. In any natural process, the entropy of universal tends towards the maximum. Question 31. If a refrigerator door is kept open, then room will be heated. Question 32. The efficiency of heat engine is maximum when temperature difference of the source and sink is maximum. Question 33. The law of Lavoisier and Laplace isolate the principle of conservation. Question 34. When a gas is subjected to adiabatic expansion, it gets cooled due to energy spent in doing work. Question 35. If a system A is a thermal equilibrium with B and B is thermal equilibrium and with C, then A and C are in equilibrium with each other. This is statement of zeroth law of thermodynamics. Next question, question number 35. A substance can supply energy either alone or by reacting with another substance is known as fuels. Question 37. An ideal fuel should have all of these: any high calorific value, low ignition temperature, and regulated and controlled. Question number 38. A mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is called water gas. Question 39. A mixture of carbon monoxide and nitrogen is called producer gas. Question 40. Cool gas is a mixture of H2, CH4 or CO. Question 41. Which one of the following fuels causes minimum environmental pollution? Hydrogen. Question 42. Which one of the following has the highest fuel value? Hydrogen. Question 43. The compressed gas available in a cooking gas cylinder is a mixture of C4H10 plus C3H8. Question 44. The gas supplied in cylinders for cooking is LPG. The next question 45. Octane number of fuel can be increased by all of these, yani isomerizations, alkylizations and reforming. Question 46. The order of appearance of the following with increased temperature during the refining of crude oil is. The right answer is gasoline, kerosene and diesel. Question 47. Domestic cooking gas consists of mostly liquefied butane and isobutane. Question 48. Which hydrocarbon is mainly present in gobar gas? Methane. Water gas is a mixture of CO plus H2. Question 50. Oil gas is a mixture of B H2 CH4 C2H4 plus CO. Oil gas. Question 51. In which type of coal percentage of carbon is the highest? Anthracite. Question 52. Which one of the following has the maximum calorific value? Oil gas. Question 53. A spontaneous change in one in which there is a lowering of free energy. Thanks for watching and sharing.